Time for another edition of Science Sunday, joined by, of course, Aoife Ryle of the Connecticut Science Center.
Good morning.
Good morning. Maya, Hidden Worlds Revealed.
Yes.
It's the brand new, traveling exhibition, I should say, at the Science Center?
Yeah, and we're very excited about it because there's some incredible science and innovation and technology that the Mayans had and that they created. And I wanted to talk a little bit about maybe something a little bit different than just some of the science they created.
Okay.
And maybe some of the science that helped them do that.
All right.
So one
Sounds
thing you need to have a civilization is water.
Yeah, water is a pretty important component.
It's very important. And they got their water in a really interesting way.
Right.
So we're in an area that had a lot of natural cenotes, which are these underground pockets of water that you can gain access to.
Okay.
That's where they got a lot of their water. So they were in an area where the bedrock was made up of limestone.
All right.
We have some limestone here. It's a very soft kind of rock. So I did file some down, and I'm going to put some of this in the watch glasses. And now this bedrock, over time, actually started to wear away and create these big caverns.
Okay.
Because rain is slightly acidic.
Mm-hmm.
And so I have some hydrochloric acid, obviously a little more acidic than the rain, but we'll see what this looks like.
Prove the point that we need to.
Exactly,
Right.
yeah. So if you put some of that hydrochloric
Am I doing like some drops or?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
You see it like fizzing and bubbling there,
Yeah.
right? And so it starts to, there's like this dissolution that happens of that limestone. And so what you end up with then eventually, once enough of that limestone bedrock wears away, is something that looks kind of like this. And so think about this as like, if this is the top of the land up here, underneath we have this groundwater, this underground lake almost.
Okay.
And over time, because this gets so weak, it starts to just push in a little bit and crumble and fall in. And then you get this area where you can access that water.
So it's exposed, and then they can take advantage of that.
Exactly,
Yeah.
and then the Mayans were able to gain water this way. You might see pictures of people who go and swim in them.
They're beautiful.
Yeah. So if you see people swimming in a cave that has like a light above it, that's a cenote.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And this is just a small sampling, and you can learn so much more about Maya and in the entire, fourth floor South Tower, right?
Yes.
The entire space is for this traveling exhibit. All right, Aoife, thank you so much. And of course, we'll see you for another edition of Science Sunday next weekend.